Hey our friends, today we're going to draw the Sydney Opera House.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. We're going to take it one step at a time and also keep it really simple. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
I also always like to remind our art friends that we're using marker paper because we're drawing and coloring with markers. This helps keep our markers lasting longer, and also it's more fun to draw on than regular paper.
Yeah.
Especially with the markers. We're starting with our paper horizontal so that we have room for the whole structure. And let's draw the base first. And to draw this big straight line, I'm going to turn my paper actually this way to start with. And we're going to draw a line, a straight line. And you could use a ruler too if you want, but sometimes I think this is more fun to try to draw it straight freehand. And it's still a little wobbly, but that's okay. Whoa, yours is super straight. Good job. That's awesome. Okay, and then we're going to draw a short line up here and also a short line straight up here. Then I'm going to turn my paper again like this and draw another line. Try to pull it straight. Mine's wobbly. That's all right. Could use a ruler. Nice. Good job. That is really straight. Okay, we're going to draw now some of the other shapes for the base. Let's start over here. We're going to come in just a little ways, and we're going to draw another line up. Then we're going to draw kind of a stair step. We're going to come over, up, and then over again, and then up one more time. Okay, and then we're going to come in. Then we're going to draw a diagonal line, short diagonal line, and then we're going to draw a short horizontal line. And then we're going to just try to keep going. We're going to draw a longer diagonal line like this, and it comes down a little further than this step over here. Yeah, just like yours. Then we're going to draw another straight line across. I kind of went up a little bit. I'm going to go back over it. There we go. Then we're going to draw another diagonal line down. Then we're going to draw a horizontal line that goes pretty far across. I'm going to stop about there. We'll draw another diagonal line down and then straight into the base. Then we're going to draw another horizontal line that comes across and then a diagonal line that comes all the way down. This part's supposed to be a little bit longer, but that's okay. All right, now let's draw another line inside that matches that one. Then over here on this step, the top one right here, we're going to draw a diagonal line down. I think these are stairs. Next, we're going to draw these really long, I believe they're windows. I'm not completely sure if they are, but we're going to just draw small little details. We're going to draw two lines like this. Yep, and then I should have drawn those a little lower. We're going to draw another one here. These should all be lined up, but that's okay. So these two lines should be lined up with this one. Yeah, and then we're going to draw another straight line here and almost touch the diagonal line. Then we could also draw a rectangle shape here. I think this might be a door. We could have, I think there's another door in here somewhere. It's not completely accurate. I'm going to draw another rectangle shape here. And then also another one over here. Someday I want to come visit the Opera House and then take my own photos, and then maybe the drawing would be more accurate. Now we're ready to draw the main structure of the Opera House. And it looks like these shapes kind of resemble a boat or the sails of a boat. And let's start by drawing the center part of each shape. So it looks like an upside down V first. So I'm going to draw it right about here. We're going to start on this diagonal line and we're going to come up and draw an upside down V shape, and we'll come back down right here. So it's just kind of on this diagonal right here. This is the first, I'm not even sure what part of the building this is. It might be the first part that you walk into, but it's separate from the rest. And then we're going to draw a curve that comes out and up to the left. And then we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down and connecting to the left side of that A shape or the upside down V. It actually is an A shape. Let's draw another line right there. Looks like the letter A. Now let's draw the other side. And this part is bigger and comes out further. So we're going to draw it coming up to the right, curving Then we're gonna draw it coming down and connecting to the right side of the A. Yes, that's awesome. Okay, then we can also add, there's another structure that kind of sticks out to the right. And we're gonna draw it coming back in like this. And then also we're gonna draw it coming back up into that shape. Oh, it already looks so cool.
Yeah.
I wish I could go see this. Okay, now we're gonna draw the next sail or couple sails. We're gonna draw another upside down A shape, except we're gonna draw two upside down A shapes that are connected together. So first we'll come up like this and we're gonna go up taller than this one. Then we're gonna come back down like that. And then we're gonna draw a line right down the middle. And we're gonna turn these into the letter A, but I'm also tipping this line inside so it kind of comes down and then back up. Yeah, now let's draw the big curve sail that comes out. So we're gonna draw a curve that comes up and we're gonna go past this one. Now this, when we draw a diagonal line down, we're gonna go behind this first shape. So we'll imagine it going behind it and then connecting to the bottom. Then we're gonna draw the biggest sail that comes up really high. We're gonna come up to the left and then we'll stop maybe there. And then we're gonna come back down. And I'm gonna come down like this and connect to the left side of the A. Yeah, okay, now let's draw another letter A. This one's going to start right here and we're gonna come up pretty high and stop there. Then we can also draw the cross part for the letter A. And then we're gonna draw another sail. We're gonna start here and we'll curve up to the left. Then we'll draw the line coming down. Then we're gonna draw another letter A. We're gonna start here and connect there. And we can draw that little cross part here. And then we're gonna draw the last curve coming out to the left. And then the diagonal line coming back down. Then let's draw the little part that sticks out right here. I'm gonna draw a horizontal line. And we'll go past this little step. Then we'll draw a diagonal line down. And also I'm gonna curve into that sail. Jack, we did it. We finished drawing the opera house, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, my favorite part. We are gonna fast forward, so remember at the end, you can pause the video to match your same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring the Sydney Opera House, and it looks so cool, all colored in.
Yeah, it does. I especially love that we filled out the whole paper.
Yeah, you can finish your artwork by adding a background. We drew the sky, also clouds, even water down here at the bottom. If you have the same Art for Kids Hub markers and you want to use the same colors, we use 76 blue for the sky.
74 dark blue for the water.
Yeah, and for the green, we use 54. And then we also used a dark brown, 94, for the details here.
CG5 for the bottom, and then CG1 for the details.
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing the Sydney Opera House with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. I'm sure your drawings turned out really cool. Remember, it's okay if your drawings don't look exactly like ours, because our two drawings look different, but they both turned out awesome.
Yep.
The most important thing is
To have fun.
and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.